Hello again everyone. Today we have a special sound. Actually this time it's a bit of a strange sound as well. Let's find out what it is. And that sound is all. All. It is a little bit strange. It doesn't go a-l. We have to say all. And there are not very many words that use the sound all. So I hope it's an easy week for you. Are you ready for some words? What do we have today? Let's go and have a look. All. Call. Call. I used the phone to call my mum. All. Tall. Tall. My dad is a tall man. All. Wall. Wall. We have nice pictures on our wall. All. Fall. Fall. We get hurt when we fall down. All. Small. Small. My baby sister is small. All. Ball. Ball. I love to kick a ball. Can you use the words? Well, there really weren't very many this week, were there? I hope you were saying the sounds and the words along with me. Let's see if we can use them. I used the phone to my mum. All. Call. I used the phone to call my mum. My dad is a man. All. Tall. My dad is a tall man. We have nice pictures on our all wall. We have nice pictures on our wall. We get hurt when we down. All. Fall. We get hurt when we fall down. My baby sister is all. Small. My baby sister is small. I love to kick a all, ball. I love to kick a ball. Okay, well that was very quick this week, wasn't it? And now you know the all words. Go and look at them again, guys. See if you can remember them all. Don't forget to come back next week for another special sound. See you soon. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.